Jet 742 and 10 flight weight 0 to level gauge 77 50
Subject 74 kilo Manchester radar, vector direct approach runway 23 right, information is X-ray, descend flight level 70, fly heading 340 degrees.
70 and heading 340 degrees, subject 742.
Ryanair 562, turn right heading 200 degrees, clear direct approach runway 23 right.
Right heading 200 degrees, clear for the ILS 6 right, reference.
582 X-ray Manchester radar, vector direct approach runway 23 right, in number 4, you can expect to turn in about 25 miles.
Fully established at 10 miles.
560 length speed 160 nautical grade to 4 miles.
160 greater than 4 and 560.
Easy 67 Quebec Tango, turn right heading 120 degrees, descend to altitude 3,500 feet, you have 16 miles.
120 degrees, descend to altitude 3,500. Off the Qatar 777 from your right hand side, taxi to Mike 1. Qatar 777, taxi to Mike 1, EC following Foxtrot.
Contact tower 118.630.
118.630 and base 2 space.
Jet 74 kilo, speed 220 knots.
220 knots, jet 742.
Ryanair 563 Manchester Tower, continue approach runway 23 right, inserted window cross.
Continue on a 562.
Easy 67 Quebec Tango, turn right heading 200 degrees, clear direct approach runway 23 right, speed 180 knots.
Right, 200 degrees, clear direct approach 23 right, 180 knots now. No, taxi Mike 1, Channel 1 Kilo Bravo. 7 Juliet, hold at Mike 1.
EC582 at Quebec, descend to altitude 3,500 feet, clear direct approach 23 right.
3,500 feet, cleared RS 23 right, EC582 at Quebec.
Object 74 kilo, descend to altitude 2,500 feet, further with a glide path.
5 right, 742.